Today I thought I will share my views with you on test 4 of your psych test. Okay, many students have asked me to give you all something about how your SD, that is your self description, is getting analyzed by the psychologist. Okay, so as I had covered in my previous class in the lesson in which we dealt about self description, I told you that the motive behind behind asking a candidate to write SD is twofold. Okay, first thing is that we want to know how much of an insight the candidate is having. Okay, and when we talk about insight means whether a candidate knows about his strengths as well as his weakness, or he is unaware about them. Okay, and the second motive is motivation. Okay, how far or how much a candidate is motivated to be a part of armed forces. Okay, now when we talk about insight, okay, and we say that it is twofold, talking about strength as well as weakness. Okay, so here it is what the students commit mistake. Okay, most of the candidates, they think that in SD you have to write about your strong points only good points. But tell me, is there any person on this world who has got no weakness in himself? Certainly not. Okay, so while you are writing about your strong points, okay, in all the 4 or 5 paragraphs which are there, okay, starting from your parents' opinion, your teachers or your employer's opinion, your friends or your colleagues' opinion, and your self-opinion, okay, in all the 4 paragraphs, it is important that while you write 8 or 10 good points which your parents must have told you about, okay, write 1 or 2 weak points also which your parents or your teachers or your friends must have told you to improve upon. Okay, that is how a SD is analyzed, whether a candidate is having a good insight about himself or he is having a poor insight about himself. Right? So in each of the opinion, you should make it a point that when you are writing, say, parents' opinion, you write all good points which your parents must have told you, but in the end write 1 or 2 weak points also which your parents must have told you, followed by what action have you taken to improve upon it. Okay, so while your parents, for example, must have told you to get up early in the morning as you are a late riser, so you should write that my parents also point out that I should be getting early in the morning as I am a late riser and I am improving upon this weakness. Okay, so that shows yes, you are aware about your weakness and you are doing something to overcome it. Okay, similarly for your friends, similarly for your teachers, and when you are writing your own opinion, okay, when you are writing your self opinion, there you should make it a point to make it very clear. Okay, make it in 2 sub paragraphs. Okay, that will be more clear. You write 1 sub paragraph consisting of your strong points, 1 small sub paragraph in which you should be covering your weak points. Okay, and while you are writing your weak points, there should be an endeavor from your side to show that you are trying to overcome your weak points and you are there is a continuous growth in your personality. Okay, you are trying to become more and more mature and a sensible person, okay, who is going to be a fit person for the armed forces. Okay, and when you do this thing, okay, the kind of activities which you do yourself for, okay, that also shows your motivation, the drive which is there in you to be a part of armed forces as an army officer. Okay, so these points you should keep it in mind. Okay, and don't write everything positive only and no negative. Okay, that should not be the case. Positive as well as a negative in all the 3, 4, 5 paragraphs which are there will make your SD a good SD. Okay, will show your assessor that the candidate possesses good insight about himself. Right? So keep this tip in your mind while you are attempting your test 4, that is your self description. Okay, the other thing also is practice. Okay, where before you go for your SSB, practice it in your home time. Okay, write your SD in a neat and presentable fashion. Okay. Good point will be that you should ask your parents if you have got some doubt. Okay, you should ask your parents or your friends, if teachers are available, to them also, that what do they feel about you. Okay, that will give you a very clear idea about how to go about writing your SD. Okay, if you're a working chap, then it should be from your employers and from your colleagues also, right? The other point which you should keep it in mind is that last 3 pages of your site dossier are dedicated for you to write your SD. Okay, so each paragraph or each opinion, I will say, should be more than half a page. Okay, if you write more than half a page, practice writing more than half a page, okay, of an A4 sheet answer paper, then you will be able to cover it up in 3 pages. Okay, so even if you are not covering up in 3 complete pages, it should be around two and a half page or something. You should be writing in those 15 minutes which are given to you for writing your SD. Okay, and be very clear to focus on your achievements and how you are making an effort to overcome your weakness. Okay, keep these points in mind, and I'm sure your SD will come out to be a good SD. All the best, candidates. Jai Hind.